Welcome to our channel. If you want to secure your Wells Fargo mobile account and protect your banking information, follow this quick guide to implement essential security measures. Step 1. Download and install the official Wells Fargo mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, ensuring you're using the legitimate app. Step 2. Open the Wells Fargo mobile app and log in using your username and password. Step 3. Tap on the menu icon and navigate to Settings or Security Options. Step 4. Enable biometric authentication, such as Face ID, Touch ID, or fingerprint login for quick and secure access to your account. Step 5. Set up two-factor authentication by linking your phone number and email address to receive verification codes when logging in from new devices. Step 6. Create strong, unique passwords for your Wells Fargo account and change them regularly. Avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. Step 7. Enable account alerts and notifications to receive immediate notifications of transactions, login attempts, and account changes. Step 8. Review your account activity regularly within the app to quickly identify any unauthorized transactions. Step 9. Never share your login credentials, PIN, or verification codes with anyone, and be cautious of phishing attempts via email or text. Step 10. Keep your Wells Fargo app and device operating system updated to the latest versions for the latest security patches. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.